Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a new eyeshadow palette by Essence, and I will use the To the Moon and Back eyeshadow box for one way only. This is one of their newest eyeshadow palettes. I have also reviewed the eyeshadow box 1, 2 and 3. I will link all the videos down below. I will also do some check-ins and a wear test at the end of the video. Get ready for an intergalactic trip to explore the universe. Add the shine and sparkle of the galaxy to your eyes with the help of this eyeshadow palette. 10 matching cosmic colors with amazing effects, ranging from matte to metallic, that can be combined in every way. In the description it says that we have matte and metallic shades. I'm not very sure. I don't know which of these are matte, to tell you the truth. So I will swatch all of them to see if we have any matte eyeshadows and the texture and the finish of all of them. I don't see any matte shades in this palette. They are satin, not matte. I don't see any matte eyeshadows. For example, this black one has some micro glitter in it and it is like a satin finish. All the other are metallic or satin finish. I mean, I have also this reddish coppery eyeshadow, but it looks to me satin. It is shimmery, it's not matte. Also, we don't have a crease color. I mean, I always use matte sheets for crease colors, and to me that means that I will not be able to just use this palette to do a completed look. So I want to compare some shades from the other eyeshadow boxes because I think I have some similarities. I want to see if they are the same, and you know, because I liked very much the first boxes, the Million Nudes and the In Love with Rose, and I want to see if I have some shades that you can also find in these. This one here, it looks very similar with the Million Nude Faces palette, this gold eyeshadow. We can see that they are not the same. Also, I wanted to see this blue galactic shade, if it is the same one with the eyeshadow box 2, the In Love with Rose, and it's not with this one here. Swatch a little bit this shade from the eyeshadow box 3, the mermaid one, and as we can see they are not same, and I like that because that means they didn't just make a shade and they put it in all of the eyeshadow palettes. Another shade that I want to compare is the light pink that we have here with the light pink that we get in the In Love with Rose eyeshadow box 2. So they are not the same. The last shade that I want to compare is this very light golden one that we have in the Galactic palette, which is called To the Moon and Back, but it is easier to say Galactic. And I want to compare it with this gold that we have from the Mermaid, and they are not the same. Most probably I will use again the Million Nude Faces palette or the In Love with Rose, but because I have a lot of crease colors that I can use for my eye look, I'm not very sure what I want to do today. I will start with my brow bone highlighter, and I think this is the worst design of the eyeshadow boxes from all the eyeshadow boxes because it is so thin and I'm trying to get only the lighter color with my brush, and I always get this one or this one, and I cannot just apply one color on my eyelids. That's so frustrating. And with the other eyeshadow boxes, I didn't have this problem. For example, with these two, I didn't have this problem. Also with the mermaid one, yes, I had some strange shapes, a different kind of shape, but with this one it's a little bit harder to get only the light color that I want, and I don't like that. Oh my god, I don't like this palette from now. Let's see if the eyeshadows are blendable and they don't have any fallout. Okay, I like this eyeshadow color for my brow bone highlighter. It looks nice. Okay, that blended very nice and it looks nice. I like this kind of shade for my brow bone highlighter. After that, I will take again the Million Nude Faces eyeshadow box, and with an eye blender brush by Essence, I will take this red brown shade and I will apply it all over my crease and towards my brow bone. As a transition shade, it gives a very nice color. It blends so easy and without any effort. You see, I didn't do anything. It is blended. I don't understand why they didn't have such good shades in this galactic one. And we have all shimmery and sheen and metallic and micro glitter. We cannot use an eyeshadow with micro glitter in our crease because we are going to blend the eyeshadow and the glitter will fly everywhere. I will take the same brush because I am that kind of girl. I use the same brushes. So I will take an eyeshadow brush again by Essence. I will try to take this color because you can see how thin this line is. So frustrating. And I will apply it all over my eyelid. I will try to do a smoky eye maybe. Oh, I will tap a little bit the excess. Oh my god, this eyeshadow. Look at this. So much fallout. Okay, let's see. Do we have any fallout? We don't have a lot of fallout, but I feel that the eyeshadow is not very... Okay, yeah, I have some color. Not very excited about this eyeshadow, and I will just tap the color. I will use dabbing motions or tapping motions and to make the color pop. And also, oh no, I have fallouts. With a clean fluffy brush, just brush it. Okay, we have a lot of fallout from this eyeshadow. And it looks so beautiful on my hand. I will also bring it into my crease with the tip of the brush and then just slightly just blend it into the other colors. Okay, I thought it would be a little bit more vibrant. So this eyeshadow is not very pigmented. You need to layer it 2 or 3 times. And also you have fallout. With another eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take the silvery eyeshadow. I will just try to take this color because it is so close to the other colors. Okay. And I will only apply it on the center of the lid to see if I can do that hello eye effect. But I don't think this is very powdery and it doesn't blend nice, and I blended it everywhere. No, that doesn't look nice. No. Oh no. Okay. This doesn't work for a hello eye effect. It looks very powdery. I don't know if you can actually see that because I have the lights. But in person, that doesn't look attractive or nice on the eyes. It looks actually, this eyeshadow looks very powdery, guys. Very powdery. Okay, I will try to make my eyes at least the same. I think it was a big mistake that I tried to do a hello eye effect like this, but you know, with other eyeshadows I can do it. So I will take the other brush and I will take the reddish eyeshadow. I will try again to intensify a little bit because this silver eyeshadow, it went everywhere. Okay, this doesn't look nice. I think I will apply it on top of it, yeah, to cover it. I didn't like it. Doesn't work. I think if I just... You see, it's not pigmented and it doesn't even stay on my eyes. So I will apply again this reddish eyeshadow. I want to use this black eyeshadow only in the outer corner just to see what's happening. And I also want to use more eyeshadows from this palette. I will take this black eyeshadow with the colorful micro glitter in it. I will just take a little bit. This is also very powdery. Guys, what's happening? All the eyeshadows are so powdery. Okay, this is powdery. Tap the excess off. Okay, let's apply it only in the outer corner. Okay, this blends nice. We have an eyeshadow that blends nice. Okay. And I will also twist my brush and blend it into my crease. Okay. And I will clean my brush on a tissue, and I will just try with the edges of my brush to blend the eyeshadow. The eyeshadows blend nice into each other, but they are so powdery, they have fallout, and they are not so intense. So it blends easy with the other colors, but the thing is that it will take forever to make this eye look more intense. And who wants that? So I will take again the red brown eyeshadow from the Million Nudes, and I will blend it into my crease with a different eye blender brush by Essence, just to make all the colors, you know, marry together. So I will use the black eyeshadow in my outer lower lash line and the red, pink, coppery one on the remaining lower lash line. I will use an eyebrow brush by Essence. I will take again the red brown shade, and with the tip of my brush I will blend the lower lash line. So I will use a Morphe brush. I will take this gold eyeshadow to highlight my inner corner. Okay, so this is a little bit chalky and powdery. I still want to use on other makeup tutorials this and this shade. I had high expectations for the red eyeshadow that I have on my lid. I will take again the eyebrow brush and I will take the black eyeshadow and I will line my lashes to make them look fuller. For mascara, I will use the Light Camera Lashes by Tarte. Hi guys, so it's been 5 hours and let's see what happened with our eyeshadows. So the eyeshadows, they didn't crease, they look nice. I mean, if you didn't know that I had a struggle to blend them and make them intense, you wouldn't understand it because they look nice, they look very blended and beautiful on the eyes, but we know that I struggled and it was a hassle to make these eyeshadows to work. I don't want to say that this eyeshadow palette is a miss because I only used 5 eyeshadows and I feel that I need to use the other 5 eyeshadows. I want to give this eyeshadow palette a fair shot. I don't have fallouts from the red or the black eyeshadow, but I have fallouts from the eyeshadow that I used for my inner corner. I have like gold particles, micro glitter all over my under eye area. I think this is not visible on camera. I don't have patches of color like I did with the Mermaid palette. The eyeshadows look decent. I will do another check-in and I will give you also my thoughts about this palette, if it's worth your money or not. Hi guys, so it's been 3 more hours. The eyeshadows are looking the same. I don't have any fallout from the reddish or the black eyeshadow. The only fallout that I have is from the micro glitter of the light champagne color that I applied in my inner corner. The eyeshadows didn't crease. So I'm not very excited with this eyeshadow palette. You cannot make a completed makeup look with this palette. We don't have crease colors, we don't have matte colors, we only have some shimmery metallic shades. Also a lot of them are powdery, not pigmented, and not intense when you apply them. Also, you need to be careful for the fallout, so you tap the excess off your brush, then you apply the product and you need to layer the color so many times to make it work. From this eyeshadow palette, I have used only 5 shades. I didn't use 5 eyeshadows, and I also didn't use a lot of eyeshadows. I think I didn't use 3 eyeshadows from this palette. So I want to do another video and try to use the eyeshadows that I didn't use, but they are not completed eyeshadow palette. let me know in the comments below if you have already tested these eyeshadows, if you like them. Also, if you have used any other eyeshadows from the drugstore and you love them. And also, I am thinking about getting the Soft Dust Nails eyeshadow palette that she collaborated with Makeup Revolution. Let me know if this is a palette that you would like me to test and review and also do some makeup looks. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!